Today we have some stuff here. We got some oil, and we got some oil for the gearbox, fuel filter or diesel filter, and oil filter. And this, along with a few other things, windshield wipers and few hoses, was supplied by Motorsenteret in Knarvik. They have supplied me with this. And the fuel hoses, the return. So I actually already changed this one to the new line and these between the injectors and the return. We're gonna change the diesel filter today, and all of this stuff we're gonna do. So it started, took a bit of time, but I guess the oil and at least the oil and the fuel maybe needs, no, the fuel, yeah, probably the fuel also needs a bit of time to fill up and everything to work properly. It looks like there is no leaking. It's always good with this oil to not shake it but turn it over a few times, this liquid moly, because it has some good stuff in the bottom of it, which at least for Jesus Christ. Kan du ikke helt aldri?
Nei, ikke sikkert.
So I'm done with everything I wanted to do today. I know that, or I see that I need to pay some attention to these. the wires. I am the one who put the tape on this wire because it's not good to have 12 volts and the wires like this. I have some new terminals I'm gonna mount. That's for another day. One thing I want to do before the day is over is to check stereo. So I'm not gonna mount any stereo system in the car. I'm gonna use this Bluetooth speaker. And my thought was to put it when driving. Usually we have this at home somewhere here. Which I think it's not a bad position. I would like it to go even further back. That would be really great. I'm planning to make some cup holder, or no, I'm not gonna make it, but I'm gonna buy some cup holders which will come here. This guy in this Milf car crew, he also has a Mk1 Golf, and he has this cup holder thing in front of the gear lever in one video. So I sent him a message, asked him, how did you make it? Where did you buy it? And he sent me the link or what product it was. So I'm thinking to have the same. It's not for Mk1. It's for older Volkswagens. So the plan was, my kind of wish was to have basket closer to the gear lever and then the speaker behind. But I'm pretty sure that's not going to happen now. It will not be any room for this. I'm going to do some more service, but that will be another day in another video. Thank you for watching.